Hi, we're out at Knolls chasing this massive, beautiful storm. It's all the way from southern Nevada all the way up to Idaho. And we're out at Knolls. And we're just north of the railroad tracks. We found this really cool old fence we're gonna go shoot. And then we already see a bunch of bolts, but it's daylight. Sun's in the wrong position, so I don't think we're gonna get it until it gets a bit darker. We're out chasing storms today. Let's support that's me. So bolts, clouds in the background. Oh, it's so bad. Repositioned from Knoll up to just by Grassy Knolls rest stop. It's just down over the hill. We found a cool little dirt road that goes up north of it. And we are out these beautiful storm clouds behind us. So seem to find some pretty foreground. And I'm doing a time lapse right now with the GoPro. And we can hear some thunder and some jets are flying over. It's just a beautiful day to chase storms. Storms moving in. So pretty. There's a big dust storm that's caused by some of the outflows down by Granite Peak, which is down at the South Utah Test and Training Range. It's knocking up some pretty big dust clouds. I'll show you on a still here in a moment. There's some storms east of us as well. Down the Wasatch, down over the east side of the Great Salt Lake. Some really big, beautiful cumulonimbus that are growing up. I'll show you this real quick. And awesome. That just beautiful. Out here at Grassy Knoll, chasing storms sure is pretty. Get a little rain. A bit of rain. It's green. It's texture in the clouds. Oh my gosh. We're out here. Here's where no on. She has a Myops trigger and I have a Pluto trigger. We haven't caught anything yet. Nothing triggering. Nothing's triggering yet. So not close enough, or it's not enough distinct from the background yet. So, but lots of beautiful storm clouds coming in. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then We let the storm pass over it, and now we're out about maybe a mile away from our original location down by the corral. Now we're up on Frog Ridge Road, still above on the grassy knoll. There's lightning and thunder north of us. East of us, there's a big storm. But we're out on this beautiful ridge right now. They're lining up some shots with this big rock and this whole trailing. Well, it's not volcanic, so I don't think it could be considered a dike, but definitely some tilted limestone of some sort. Really pretty out here right now. A little chilly, but it's just beautiful. And the next set of storms is out there on the horizon, so we have a bit of time to hang out. At least we're here. We started out in Knolls, which is out there on the horizon. Now we're here, and it's a big rock. Everyone's back over there doing some stills. I'm just practicing on this blog. So here we go. We found a little pack rat, and I saw him jump from one little hidey hole to the next. So he's definitely in there. Very neat. Cool find.